Yeah, I don't think there's anything I can do about the... Oh, I gotta sync my audio. I don't think there's anything I can do about the... What was I thinking? I need lunch. So we've got the Sony stereo mic in the windy helmet. We've got low cut on, auto off, and we're still at 27. And we'll see how it sounds. So I do like this Sony mic. I mean, but it is kind of big, and it's cumbersome because you can't take the clip off. I mean, I know it's a lavalier mic and you want to have that clip on and everything, but now this does not have the dead cats on it. It does have foam on it, but it doesn't have dead cats on it. So it's going to be interesting to see if this is what this is going to compare to the Movo or not, or whether I like it or not. But the Zoom H1 is definitely, obviously, you know, a prosumer product for audio, and is a step up from some stupid office transcribing thing I got. So that's, you know, $70 down the drain. What a joke that was. You know, I mean, they're good for what they are, you know. So, I mean, you know those design meetings. I mean, nobody stood up and go, wait a minute, someone's going to take this transcriber over 40 miles per hour. We need to make it work for that. What are you talking about? That's my Japanese accent. And then somebody in the meeting for the Sony FDR-X3000, somebody's going to take this Action Cam over 40 miles an hour. What are you talking about? They're going to do mountain biking. They're going to jump off cliffs into water. You know, they're going to swim. I don't think they're going to be, you know, nobody's going to have an external mic. I don't even know why we have the external mic jack in the camera. He has me. But I was outvoted on that. So we'll put the external mic in, and I'm going to put the auto canceling in there and just cut off everybody's 0 decibels. Because that makes a lot of sense. So this will be interesting. It is windy, so I picked a good day to go out and test audio, and I hope my video is running. Yep, video is running. A motorcyclist was killed yesterday afternoon while checking his camera. He looked into the mirror and checked his camera was on and veered off the ravine. Here's the famous Boulder Death Road. What am I, the only people going on this road? Or oh, good, I get to stop back farther. I'm gonna stop right here. So what they're doing is they're putting huge concrete slab reinforcements for this road, because if this does a landslide, it'll take out the road. And there are only so many roads in and out of Ojai. Well, there's 3. So, and this is one of them, and this goes east, and it's really an important, it's not a great travel road for any kind of getting anywhere fast or anything, but it is a road, and it's important. So that's why they're doing all this construction. This is me talking with the Sony Stereo Cam Silent. Yay! Check all this stuff out. It's quite the boulder. So these are all the boulders, and they're trying to clear some of this away. And then over on this side, I don't know if you can see it, but they are building this all up. So it's quite the engineering thing. I mean, back, you know, there's not much going on back here, but wow, that's a lot of stuff to do for this road. And I'm glad they're doing it, you know. As you know, 33 is my road. I'm gonna go right here. Oh, I'm gonna go up more. Okay. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Ooh, Oregon. Jesus Christ.